Alright, Saturday night, about dusk, I don't know, 5:30 or so. It's gonna be dark quick. Try to do a quick run before it gets dark. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to get to do some riding. It's nice weather still in Florida. It's like 62 degrees. Goes down to around 50 in the evening. It's December 5th. Face shield to stop clogging up. Stuck behind the pizza guy. This is County Road 225. Which takes you out to the Gainesville racetrack. Post office delivery guy. This is a nice rural country road. Farms up here. Although it's not cold, it's kind of windy. There's a lot of wind today. See how the tractor trailers coming back from the racetrack. Broke down, or here's the Auto Plus Raceway. Looks like they got racing going on tonight. I should actually run back in there. I've never driven back into the Raceway. So, change of plans for a second on this motovlog. I thought I was going to run all the way up to Waldo Stark area. But because it's getting dark anyway, go and pull into the racetrack since it's all lit up and looks like there's races going on. Gate C. Hopefully this isn't a one-way street. Wind visor keeps fogging up. A lot of people are leaving, so the races must be basically over. Never actually been here. This is the big race that happens here every year is Gator Nationals. I'll let him come out. Nice Camaro. They must have just raced Mustang. Drag car there. Like a car show. Whew, the slicks on the back of that thing. Goodyear Eagles. It's funny with the camera, you got to be really close because it's the wide angle lens, but I noticed that on my last video, so pull up really close to the car, check it out. Nova SS. What else do we have here? Lots of Camaros. Pretty sweet. Pretty crazy grocery getter looking thing. Hang 'em high. Old Chevy truck with a blower on it. Nice. Look at that. Whew. Another Nova. Pretty sweet. How are you? Well, I don't hear anybody racing, so I'm guessing it's over. I don't see any, I haven't heard any cars, any drag cars running. I was gonna walk up into the stadium to take a look, but I guess I could do that anyway. Let's check it out. Well, I don't see anybody else racing, so that's the Gainesville Auto Plus Raceway. Maybe we'll check it out when we can catch a race sometime. I'll record that. Alright guys, talk to you later.